Hello all, how are you doing today? I thought I would do a little unboxing here. I've got a couple of kits that I got in the mail. They're both, they're both Huacans. I got them on Aliexpress for reasonably inexpensive. There's the thumbnail of... You can't see that very well, can you? There you go. It's like a mod bunch of bottles. There's 30 colors and it's round, full coverage. It's been really coiled, like, woo, look at all that. It's on a foam roller, of course, like normal. Oh, come on. Why you gotta be like this? Alright, so here is the canvas. It's really curly because of the way they rolled it. So yeah, it's a 30 by 40 in round drills. So there's the drill field, right? It's okay. I'm definitely gonna need a light pad to do it though. Like, there are times when I don't need a light pad when the symbols are clear enough and it's like daytime. Then I don't bother with using it, but for this one, it'll be important. Yeah. It's nice though. I like the colors. The colors are gonna be fun. Course. Now we have to play the game of can we get the paper back on? It came with regular tools that you would expect. It's got a 3-placer and a 6-placer, I think. Wax, boat, pen with grip on it. One of these little bracelet doodads that they like to give for some reason. Here are the colors. There's lots of really pretty purples, blues, reds, plum, some teal, some pink, but not much. Yeah, it's a nice mix of a warm and cool palette. I don't know if you can really tell. I hope you can. But yeah, it's all round. So that's nice. Alright. Now we can move on to this one. This one is a really cute kitty cat. Meow meow. Technicolor kitty cat. Another foam roller, of course. This one's small. It's 25 by 20, so not very big. But it is full coverage, and there are 30 colors in it, believe it or not. So, here we are. This one is square drill, by the way. Also Huacan. So the toolkit is going to be the same as the one I just showed you. Oh, this one's going to be so much quicker and easier to do. Wow. You can actually see symbols. Kitty. Meow. I don't know if you can really tell from your perspective, but that is a cat head. See? There's the ears right here. Yeah, and the symbols are actually like visible. Nice and clear. That other one is going to be, I'll probably only be able to do little bits at a time, the other one. Which is kind of unfortunate because I want to get these done because they're gifts. Oops. I've kind of decided that these will be like my go-to for gifts if somebody wants, like if it's a nice occasion and somebody deserves a proper like handmade gift. Oops. I won't necessarily have to do all kinds of sewing or stitching of any kind every time for a gift, because that's what everybody kind of expects from me. But if I don't have to make an entire quilt or cross stitch for somebody, then I probably won't, because I'm kind of selfish that way with my stitch work. But there you go. So it's a little kit. It's got 30 colors. There's the thumbnail. And the colors are really nice. They're, you might have seen this kit around. It's a popular image. But there's lots of purples, pinks, blues and greens. It's kind of a rainbow. But yeah, there you go. Small one that's a full coverage square, and one that's slightly larger that's full coverage round. There you have it. So, thank you for watching. If you want to see this channel grow and thrive, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!